Join me as I share my empowering story of growth, resilience, and reinvention. From enforcing the law to inspiring hearts with hashtags. It's remarkable how my journey of a fearless correctional officer turned into and embraces a path of social media influencer. Well, buckle up. Hit the like button and join me on an unforgettable journey filled with laughter, insights, and the glitz and glamour of influencer journey. Get ready to embark on the adventure through the captivating world of social media fame. From jaw-dropping moments to relatable experiences you will not want to miss. Get ready to be inspired as we break barriers, challenge stereotypes, and leave a lasting impact on the social media world. It's time to unlock the power of influence, one hashtag at a time.